dinner time.
Dinner time.
It's also Caribbean night.
And this ship is rocking.
Yeah.
Both of us are running into this wall. She was like, boom. I'm like, boom.
I was trying to, I was trying to put my shoes on in the cabin. I was like, we left Cozumel about an hour and a half ago.
About an hour and a half, yeah.
On our way to Roatan. But yeah, like I said, it is Caribbean night. We're on our way to dinner. We have a show tonight. We're gonna walk the ship. I'm actually enjoying really not doing anything before dinner.
Yeah, I like that.
We've been like hanging out in our room for like at least 2 hours. So we don't have to rush to get ready.
Yeah.
We're just watching TV. It's very relaxing and it gives us a break from filming and doing all the activities. And
take a shower at your own pace. It's like...
It's kind of like vacation.
Yeah. Yeah, for us, I'm digging it.
I like it. Even though there's so many things to do on the ship, I don't feel like I'm missing out on anything yet. Oh, okay. Well, that's lovely. As we're walking through the hallways, down the stairs, a couple just goes, oh, there they are.
There they are.
And just walks away. So, if you watch our videos, hello to you. And if not, then you must not know who we are, because that was kind of interesting. There you are. Hello to you. We've actually ran into a lot of people, I don't know if I said that yet, that have watched our channel.
Several.
So many people. So that's really cool. And thanks for coming to say hi to us, because we love that.
Absolutely. Man, I am darker.
Yeah, he has a tan, which is pretty funny. His tan line's pretty significant. All right, going to dinner. Okay, so I'm kind of excited because I don't recognize this menu. There's buttered cod. There's pasta carbonara. There's a lamb shank, roasted turkey. For starters, there's a roasted beets and orange salad, which sounds good, and crispy coconut shrimp, plural. But there's no escargot in the starters at all. That's kind of bizarre to me. I recognize some of the things, but it's been a long time since I've seen a menu with any of these things on it. So it's gonna be different. I'm kind of excited. What did you get?
So guys, I have a green lentil soup. It has a lot of like herbs, lentils, obviously, celery, tomato, green tomatoes. It looks really good. Yeah, I'm excited to dive in.
These are my shrimp.
Shrimp look good too.
They look yummy. All right, our salad is here. That soup is really good. I tried some, and the shrimp is so crispy. I'm impressed.
Yeah, me too.
Didn't really taste like coconut though. I couldn't taste it, but they're still good. Roasted beets, some orange in there. So fun fact, it is in fact battered cod and not buttered cod, but it looks good. What you did? You just got the pasta?
Just pasta.
Carbonara.
Carbonara.
What? And you got the cod?
Did you get cod?
So.
I got cod. So much cod. That's not the thing that I got a lot of. It's the shrimp. The coconut shrimp.
Oh, thank you.
Oh, that's.
Oh, that looks good.
No, that's good. Thank you.
You got 2 creme brulees. What you got? Apple pie?
Apple pie a la mode. So
good.
I kind of dig it. It's warm.
Oh, yummy. I got cheesecake tonight, guys. We're switching it all up on you. This is what did I say, day 4?
Day 4?
This is the first time we've been in the theater.
Yeah.
Because all the other shows that we've seen have been in other venues.
Very beautiful.
Very awesome theater.
Very
awesome.
awesome.
Looks like it's probably only 2 levels, but plenty of seats. It's 10:17. The show starts at 10:30, and there's still plenty of seats available. So luckily we had reservations, so we came in with no problem. But sometimes if you don't make reservations, you have to wait and see if there are seats, which there probably will be tonight. So we are seeing a comedic juggler, which is one of my favorites on any cruise ship, just because I don't think any other like comedian has made me cry laughing like on a cruise ship as much as the jugglers. I don't know what it is. I just enjoy their acts.
Yeah.
So we're gonna watch that. Maybe film a little bit of it for you, and it'll be fun.
The 3 balls going. So toss me the 4th ball right over here to my left hand when I count to 3. Alright, man, can you juggle at all? Can you do any juggling? No, don't juggle. Don't juggle. No worries, man. I'm going to give you the easy part. Easy part of the routine. Let's give you this thing. It's cool. This right here. It's going to make you nice and comfortable on stage here. Sir, there you go. Alright. Just lie down on your back there for me, Griffin. Yeah. Perfect. All right, awesome. Head down here, feet down there. Or do it your way. Whatever. Feet nice and close together, hands down by your side. Now tense up every muscle like you're like a statue, right? So nice and tense. Yeah, and I'll take care of the rest. Alright. Let's see what we've done so far this evening. We did we juggled the ping pong thing, just did the iPad, did the net in the beginning there. I'm running out of stuff there, but I got these babies right here. What do you say, Griffin? Have I juggled these guys yet? Have I done the knives, guys? I haven't. Oh, this is amazing news. You hang tight, Griffin. This is great stuff for you. I got 2 and 3 of these guys. Here's what's going to happen now. This right here. This is going to change your life. I'm going to juggle these knives while I stand directly over you. It's going to be a good time for everybody, all right? Let's go. Fine. Hey, Craig, you busy? That's fine. Oh, Griffin! What are you doing down here? Or are we doing right up there? What do you say, man? You guys want Griffin back on stage? Let's get him spin. Come on, man.
Oh my God.
All right, get back up here. Yeah. You know what? Yeah, get back down there. Appreciate, head here and feet there, whatever you want to do. I don't care. It doesn't matter. We'll just get you up here. That's good. And just hang tight right there. I got some safety precautions, actually. I got some stuff to make you feel more comfortable here. And this first one, guys, this is a no-brainer. I must have forgot to do this in the beginning. All right, here it is. It's a blindfold. All right. I know, man. All right, this is going to be awesome. Let's try this. All right, he's still here. Oh, look, a little protection there. I see. That's interesting. I'll tell you what. Uncross your legs. Cross the other one over now. Now decide which one you want to protect. It's not by your side. You're fine. Feet uncrossed. I do have more safety precautions. I got safety stuff. I got a blindfold for you. This one right here is a makeshift blindfold, so you can't see it. We're going to use that for a second. So there you go. You're good right there. That's perfect. Don't worry. It's a clean one. Okay, I got one more safety precaution. This is a great idea right here. The patented razor sharp machete juggling protective device. A little on edge there. Okay, for your protection. Let's get to know our buddy here. Where you come from, Griffin? Where you from, sir?
Clearwater, Florida.
Clearwater? Yeah. All right, that's awesome. You gave him a little ways. That's good. And what do you do for a living in Clearwater, Griffin?
I'm a lawyer.
No problem. That's totally fine. I come prepared, man. Never go. Just kidding, because that's the one. All right, now, I'm going to clang these knives together to prove to you and to the folks that they're real. So whatever you do, don't remove that blindfold, man. I want you to just leave that alone. It's for safety precaution there. And I'm going to clang these. Everybody knows what's going on. Now I have one last question for you. Answer it nice and loud, Griffin. Tell us all, are you ready for this? I guess so. Are you guys ready? Say yeah. Remember, Griffin, the folks are going to go crazy. They're going to go ooh and ah when I start to juggle the knives. This is it, Griffin. Here we go. Everybody in the sky also thanks a lot, man. Okay? Here we go. Oh boy, that was awesome. And don't worry, I'll get everything. Natural reaction. Oh, good. He's right there, everybody. Give him another huge round of applause. That was awesome. Thanks a lot, man.
What a fun show.
I hope you all enjoyed that. Was it fun?
I think it was fun.
It was fun.
It was very funny. Adam was great. Great juggler. Very entertaining. Super funny. And to get this guy back up on stage was really funny too.
Yeah.
So we hope you enjoyed that. We are in Roatan tomorrow.
We are.
And we've never been to Roatan. So we're going to have fun exploring the port ourselves and showing you guys what we do. I'm ready for another full day of fun.
Yeah, today was super duper fun. Like I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. So if you did enjoy the vlog, please give us a thumbs up. Please subscribe. It helps us out a lot. So, but if you have any questions, join our private Facebook group, Griff and Alyssa Paradise Crew. And as always, if you dig the vibes, please subscribe.
And if you care, please share. We'll see you in paradise.
Peace.
Bye.